everyone, my name is Ainnatul Nafizah binti Ismail, and today I'm going to be presenting to you my cake ordering application. So first of all, let's take a look of all the classes available in this application, which is the Linkedlist class, the Note class, the Empty List Exception class, the Main Order class, and also the Order class. So let's have a look at the Empty List Exception class. So this is the Empty List Exception class, which will return the message the list is empty when the list itself in the application is empty. So next, we have the Note class. For the Note class, there are two variables in it, which is the data and also the next. The data is used to store the value that the user is currently inputting, and also the next is used to store the data of the next value that user input. Here we are looking at the Linkedlist class. So the Linkedlist class have three variables in it, which is first, last, and current. It also have a lot of methods in it. The first method is the insert at front, which is used to insert data at the front of the list. The next one is insert at back, which is used to insert data at the back of the list. We also have remove from front. Remove from front is used to remove data from the front of the list. And we also have remove from back, which remove data from the back of the list. Next, we have delete node, which delete the node in the list. Furthermore, we have the boolean is empty method, which is used to declare the is empty method that we have used in previous methods. For example, we can see it here. We also have the print method, which will print the list. Last but not least, we have the get first and also the get next method. The get first is used to get the first data in the list. And the get next is used to get the next data in the list. So next, we are looking at the order class. So in this order class, there are a few variables that have been declared for the application itself, which is the name, the order ID, the quantity, and also the price. There's also other methods in here, which is the constructors, the accessors, and last but not least is the mutator, and also the one that we use to display our data. And in this case, we are going to display the name, the order ID, and also the price. So last but not least is the main order class. The main order class is the main class of the application itself. So there's a lot in here. Let's take a look step by step. So first of all, of course, we declare all the variables. For example, input, name, order ID, output, quantity, and also price. We also declare here a new array list. So first of all, when user enter the system, it will be greeted with these greetings. After that, user will be prompted to enter the quantity of cake that they want to order. Then, the for loop will run based on the quantity that the user have inputted. So in the loop, user will be asked to enter the name of the order, which is the name of the person ordering, also the cake ID, and the price of the cake. After all of that have been done, the coding will run and will display all the order details that have been inputted by the user itself. So next, all the data will be moved to the array list. After the data have been moved, the application will calculate the total price of all of the order and will display the total price of all of the order that have been inputted by the user. So next, the application will calculate the average price of the order that have been inputted by the user. So these are the codings. Then it will display the average price of all the order that have been input. So next, the application will also calculate the most expensive order that have been input by a user. So this is all of the codings. And again, it will display the result to the user. Next, the application also have the search feature, which let user find the order that have been previously input. So these are the prompt, which is the application will prompt user to enter the order name, and here are the codings. And if the order was found, it will display this message and also the order details. If the order was not found, then error message will appear. Next, the application also allow user to delete the existing order or previously entered order. So these are the prompt, which is enter the name of the order to be deleted, and these are the codings and stuff, and it will also display the name of the order that have been deleted. And last but not least, it will also display the available order that haven't been deleted. So here are the output. So let's run the main order. So here are the welcome message. So here are the prompt to input the number of order, and here are the prompt for the name. Here are the prompt for the cake ID or the order ID. And here are the prompts to input the price. So it will loop it 3 times since we put it at the first one, the quantity is 3. After we have done it, so it will display all the order details that have been entered, and if we click OK, it will prompt us to copy the details into Arraylist, and the data have been successfully copied. And here are the prompts to search for the order. Let's say we input the order details that is not in here, and there's the error message. So here are the prompts to delete. So the data have been deleted, and last but not least, it will display the remaining data in the list. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching.